Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look using the box of crayons palette from, using the matte book palette from the crayon case. I also have the box of crayons palette, which I got both of these palettes during her Black Friday sale, just because I wanted to try out some crayon case products. These are like really nice matte colors and I don't have a lot of matte eyeshadows, so that's why I purchased the matte book and of course the box of crayons palette, because that is going to be discontinued. So if you don't have it already, you might want to go get it. So yeah, I want to say thank you to all of you guys who continue to subscribe to my channel and help it grow to almost 2,000 subscribers so far. Yeah, I have not stayed consistent whatsoever, but I'm back. It's 2020. Happy New Year, you guys. And I'm going to stick to creating videos and getting content out for you guys, because this is something that I really do enjoy doing. And yeah, I think it's fun and I want to see how much I can get my channel to grow this year, 2020. So yeah, thank you guys for subscribing, and again, Happy New Year. So today I want to do something kind of bold, something different than I usually do. I don't do like really basic eyeshadow looks in my opinion, but I definitely don't do like super bold eyeshadow looks, and so that's something that I want to start doing more of this year. So today that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it comes out nice. I don't know, but we're gonna see. But before we get into this look, I want you guys to stop what you're doing and make sure that you already subscribed and like this video. And then I also want you guys to comment down below and tell me one reason why you subscribe to me, whether it's my makeup looks or my lock videos. Leave me a video suggestion that you would like to see from me in the comments as well, just because I want to get some more ideas for the videos that I can do on my channel for this year. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video.
you.